Morning, everybody. It's a sad day here at the barn. I drove up and I was like, wow, it looks like there's not very many chickens. And I walk up to the chicken tractor, and it has become apparent that something has dug underneath and killed all but 2 of them. And it had to have been somewhat recent, as in like maybe only like an hour ago or something, because there's some that are still kicking. Out of the 28 dead, 3 were still alive, injured, whenever I got here. And only 4 or 5 were actually eaten. What a waste. So, see where we go from here. Alrighty. After some brainstorming and try and decide on how we're going to try and prevent this predator problem in the future. Right now, the only thing I can do is put some chicken wire on the floor. Now, I don't really like that idea. I think it's going to prevent them from scratching and performing their normal chicken duties. That's just the way that it's going to be for now. We saw online that 4-week-old pullets, which is about how old these birds were, 4 or 5 weeks, are about $25 a pop. So that's not going to happen. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go over to Orscheln and pick up like 10 or so of their baby chicks and basically start over. So we've still got the 2 birds. One of them for sure is a rooster. I can't imagine with that cold him being a hen. And I'll just make this drive every day for 2 birds. So yeah. Oh good, they're still alive. So now I just gotta kind of let them free, I guess. They've never been free like that before. And start putting this wire on underneath. So let's hope I have enough. Alright, now that that's done, we'll flip it over. Put the birds back in. It's going to be great. Bright side to this, I guess, is, well, I'm down but not out. We're going to be getting 10 more baby chicks. We're going to get them from Orscheln though. That means I've got to get the brooder back to the house. Got to bring some shavings. What else? 5-gallon bucket of feed. Got to set that whole thing up. And yeah, alright, well, let's topsy-turvy this whole thing and get it right. Alright everybody, we have 10 more. There are 5 buff Orpingtons and 5 barred rocks. So this is pretty much what they had available at Orscheln's. That wasn't crazy expensive. Americanas were pretty expensive. They've already found their feed. That's good. So I've been told that they're a week old. You know, after a week, the mortality rate is much better. So I've got that's a bright side of all of this. So fingers crossed, I shouldn't lose any here. I mean, I did really well with the other ones. And we'll just take it as it comes. So, anyways, wish us luck.